Most AI money guides show screenshots of five-figure payouts. What they don't show is the person spent 8 months learning the skill, or they're selling courses about making money instead of actually making money from AI. Today, we're breaking down 3 paths where real people are earning with honest numbers, honest timelines, and honest failure points. Path 1. Prompt engineering and AI writing for content teams. Here's what actually happens. You learn Claude or ChatGPT well enough to write blog posts, social media scripts, or email sequences faster than a human would. You sell these on Upwork, Fiverr, or direct to small agencies. Realistic range: $500 to $2,000 per month if you're consistent and good at client communication. But here's what most people get wrong. You're competing with every other person who discovered ChatGPT last week. Your first 3 months will be slow and you'll undercharge. The real money only happens once you build a reputation or specialize, say, medical copywriting or SaaS email funnels. Generalist AI writing is a crowded market. You need a niche or faster turnaround than competitors. Path 2. AI-powered customer service outsourcing. Some people are taking Zendesk tickets or support emails, routing them through Claude or GPT-4 with custom prompts, cleaning up the response, and sending it back. They charge the client $8 to $12 per ticket and handle 30 to 50 per day. That's $240 to $600 daily if the setup is dialed in. The catch: this requires you to find the client first, usually small e-commerce stores or local services. You need liability insurance, and you're responsible when the AI gets it wrong, which happens. If you send a bad response under your company's name, you own that mistake. That's why most people abandon this after month 2. Path 3. Building simple AI tools and selling them. Using no-code platforms like Bubble or Zapier, or even just wrapping an API, like an OpenAI integration, into a simple web app, then selling access for $19 to $99 per month. Some people report $1,000 to $3,000 monthly from a single tool with 50 to 150 active users. But you need paying customers first. Building it is the easy part. Marketing it is brutal. Most people build a tool nobody wants, get frustrated after 3 months of 0 sales, and move on. The successful ones picked a micro niche with a real problem and talked to potential customers before coding a single line. Across all 3 paths, here's the honest pattern. The first month is always slower than you expect. The second and third months are where real filtering happens. Most people quit. The 4th month onward, if you're still going, you actually have something repeatable. Income rarely appears overnight. Expect 3 to 6 months before you see consistent $500 plus monthly. Also, and I mean this, honestly, trying all 3 at once is how you fail at all 3. Pick one, commit to 90 days, measure results, then adjust. Most guides want you scattered across 10 tools. That's how nothing works. The single most useful takeaway: the people making real money with AI aren't the ones who found the perfect tool. They're the ones who learned their audience, whether that's a specific type of client, a niche market, or a pain point, and built around that. Tools change constantly. Audience understanding doesn't. If this angle on AI money making is useful, subscribe. We skip the hype and break down what actually works, what the real effort looks like, and where most people fail. More practical breakdowns coming regularly.